This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive. So it's Jay with Car Guys New England, and we're doing a video series on different automotive shops in the car community. And today I've actually stopped at Ken's Auto Repair here in Billerica. He does awesome work with the Panther cars, so let's go in and check things out and talk with Kenny. So as you can see, you got the floor lift and a bunch of post lifts. And here's the man himself. How you doing, Kenny?
Good. How you doing, Jay?
Good. Good to see you.
I seen you as usual.
So, Kenny, tell us a little bit about your business and how you guys got started.
Well, originally my father started the business in the 80s as a secondary job to his firefighter job. But he was doing auto repair his whole life. Since the age of, I want to say 13, he was working at a gas station, and then fully working as a mechanic in his teens, supporting his mother. And then I came into the business in the 90s after I went to school at the Shawsheen Tech, and came working here, well, not this building, but an older building, to learn under my father, who is very, very knowledgeable. A little behind the times nowadays, in his late 60s, but you know, just to help him out, and it just grew from there. I went to college and then moved into this building, and it's taken off big time. So, and I love what I do. Awesome.
What is it you enjoy working on that specific platform of vehicles?
Well, I think the platform overall is pretty simple and easy design. I mean, you could do so much with it, and it's just a fun vehicle. So I enjoy working on those cars, and they go for such a long timeline that it's easy to, you know, to upgrade and change things as you please.
Yeah, a lot of people actually give me shit over my choice to daily drive a Panther Platform Lincoln Town car. I love the car, but you know, it's just kind of funny that a lot of people are like, why aren't you driving a Mercedes or a BMW? What do you have to say about that?
Oh, I mean, this car in my eyes, those cars in my eyes don't even compare to this line. I mean, they're nice cars, but that Lincoln Town car, to me, is the perfect luxury car, and it's a shame they got rid of it, that car. And I know you agree with that.
Oh, absolutely.
Absolutely, right? So, yeah. But yeah, I mean, it's the technology. I mean, the comfort and everything is there without all the craziness that those other cars bring into it. Those cars are good too, but I mean, to me, that car is perfect.
So, Kenny, if people are looking to find you, where can they find you on the web, your Facebook, and contact info?
All right, so on the web, website I have is kensautorepairma.com. You can contact me at kensautorepair@comcast.net. I also have a Facebook page, Ken's Auto Repair in Billerica, Massachusetts. My address is 3 Eveready Circle in Billerica, Mass. Phone number 978-667-9005. And I work on just about anything, even beyond those Panthers. So whatever you need, I pretty much do it.
Cool. Well, thank you so much for your time, Kenny.
Thank you, Jay.
I appreciate it. Yep, thank you. Take care.
Have a good day.
You too. So that was a fun visit to Ken's Auto Repair in Billerica. And we're gonna head home now, but thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. If you have questions or comments, comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.